A little dusty, should clean in here a little bit, but all done. Bought these storage bins from Target. The nice thing about these bins is that you can use them for storage, and then you can also easily pack. Perfect! Get you the lid and put it right on top. Already done. Can't beat that, bro. Here's all the stuff I had in the cabinets in the kitchen. So I'm just gonna pack these up into the bins. So my cabinets are clear here. This was the one I used as my pantry, and that's all clear too. And this is where I store my cleaning products. So I'm gonna take the recycling and the trash from under here. You know, I got some containers. I still need to get my dishes. Now we're gonna do cleaning supplies. So I had one cleaning bin for the kitchen. Trash bags. Done. So I put all these clothes in here that I didn't want to deal with. So I think it's gonna be a giveaway pile, but I should take care of that. Oh yeah, I got this from Home Depot. So it's a little bit of a strut wrap. And this is the 5" by 1,000 feet, so I'll just use that. I think I'm gonna try and get some blankets from some little pads from U-Haul, and then use this to wrap it around. I also picked up these mattress protectors because I never bought any for my mattress, so I'm gonna need that. And these are from Target. It's like waterproof, also cooling, I think. I got one of those. I got these mattress bags from Home Depot. Got some packing tape. The mattress bag is the queen and king size, and it says it fits pillow top mattress in California king. So I have the drill battery charging so I can disassemble the bed. Drill bits for the drill I bought. Probably these little feet for the sofa. I got the first one now. Now I'm having trouble just fitting the drill because this ledge is in the way. I'm trying to disconnect this part. So I took this one out right here, taking this one out right here, and now I'm about to take the last one out. You know what I'm saying? Now I should go to push this up. Okay, we're good. Now I'm gonna put the screws back so that I don't lose them. Uh-oh, I think I stripped this thing. All right, so I found a video on YouTube. So you hammer this in like that, and then it started to come out. Yay! It's not too stripped that it won't come out, so I can finish this today. And the headboard's about to fall on my head. Let me put this camera down. Did have a casualty. Man down. Code 10. And my earring. And then I also got a few rug storage bags, and this comes in 9 feet by 12 feet. And my rugs, the biggest one I have is 8 by 10, so they'll fit in there just fine. So I emptied all the big furniture out a few days ago. That's where the bed used to be. And this is where the sofa used to be. So now it's just the miscellaneous pieces that are left that I'm about to clear out. And this is my last day here at this apartment. Dishes and recipes here. Oh, I gotta get those hangers. I don't want to forget those. And then I cleaned out the bathroom. That's the bathroom all done. Cabinets empty. Just cleared out the fridge. I'm gonna throw that stuff away. It's about to be a wrap. Next time you see this, it's gonna be all clear. This is it. Pink studio apartment for all the good times. We out of here.